Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be going through the highlights from next week's Cloud POS update. As you might already know, the development team are working on a big project to create a brand new user interface or UI for Cloud POS. The team are making great progress, and I'll talk a little bit more about what we're doing there after I've been through the top changes that you'll see after the update on Monday evening. So let's get into it. The first thing we're looking at was a great suggestion from our customer feedback forum, Canny. You'll be able to sell multiple gift vouchers on one transaction. This is especially great at this time of year as people are buying gifts for loved ones, and it's easy to add however many you need onto a single transaction. When you've tendered that transaction, we've added a new button that says View Gift Vouchers, and that opens this screen. As you can see, I've got 3 gift vouchers on this transaction. I can preview the voucher, email it, print a gift voucher label, and a gift voucher receipt. So having the gift voucher on a label is a really neat way to add it to a custom card. You could get your own branded cards printed online, somewhere like HelloPrint or Vistaprint does that kind of thing. And you can achieve a similar outcome by attaching the receipt to the card, but the label is just that little bit neater. Another cool new feature for gift vouchers is that you can print a gift voucher receipt when you're doing a balance check. So if a customer comes in and they want to know how much is left on their gift voucher, you can check the balance and then give it to them on a paper receipt too. Another good idea from Canny is the ability to add customised messages to account statements. So when a customer has a credit account with you and you're sending them a statement of how much they owe, it's now really easy to include bank details and payment terms on the statement itself. Back in the July Cloud POS release, we added the functionality to send automatic workshop booking reminders by SMS and email. So that's great for reducing the number of people who don't drop their bike off when they're supposed to. It's been a really popular feature, and we've had some useful feedback where users want to include the date but not the time. So after this release, you'll be able to create your message including only the date, or you can do both the date and time like you currently can. This is particularly useful for workshops on Book My Biking, the online workshop booking feature. So Book My Biking makes it really easy for your customers to book a service online. It's great for workshops who know when the bike is going to be coming in and what level of service has been requested, and that workshop job has already been created with the correct customer, ready for you to add any extra details that you get when the customer comes in. It's always a pain when a bike doesn't come in when you're expecting it, so these automatic reminders are really useful. Also in the workshop module, if you have a lot of unscheduled jobs ready to be added to the workshop calendar, you'll be able to filter them to find the job that you need easily. As you can see in the unscheduled jobs column on the right there, we have a new filter button. You can type to filter by customer name, service item, the job ref, or the order ID. So for busy workshops with a lot of jobs being created, it makes it super quick to find the one that you need. You'll also be able to change the from field on any SMS communications you send out, so not just workshop ones, but any ones from Cloud POS. So rather than it saying a number, you can configure it in Cloud POS to say your business name. You won't be able to you can't use spaces or any unusual characters, but it's great for customers because they'll be able to tell it's from your business as soon as they get that message at first glance. So they're the top new features in this release. We've also done a lot of work on the new Cloud POS user interface or Cloud POS UI. We've actually finished the core building blocks of POS. That's a big milestone in this project. There's still back office to do, but we finished those core building blocks. And I'll be able to share some sneak peek screenshots with you in the near future. So the styling is going to be similar to Cloud MT, and it uses the latest technology also. It's more intuitive to use and it's faster, so everything feels that bit snappier, which is perfect for fast retail environments. It's going to be great to use on a tablet, giving you much more flexibility in terms of the device you use it on and the location too. So you'll be able to have staff with it on a tablet, walking around the shop with a customer, looking at different stock. They can put through customer special orders and check stock levels. Anything that they'd normally do on POS, they'll be able to do really easily on that tablet. So keep your eyes peeled for more info on that in the coming weeks, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit subscribe for the latest new features and product updates.